In the year 1985, Doc Brown was 4 years older than 3 times Marty's age. In the year 2015, assuming no interruptions in the space-time continuum, Doc Brown will be exactly 5 times the age that Marty was in 1985. How old was the Doc in 1985? All right, so we could set up a pretty messy algebraic equation here and solve for it. But instead, what I like to do on these type of problems is set up a little table. I'll show you what I mean. Here's 1985, here's 2015, here's Marty, and here's Doc. So we can keep track of all of our characters at any given point in time. Let's use the answer options to test out what could be the correct answer, right? So we'll kind of reverse engineer this problem. The final question is, how old was the Doc in 1985? So why don't we go right to the middle? We'll assume that Doc Brown was 65 and see if that works. If Doc Brown was 65 in 1985, then he was 95 in the year 2015. Now, according to the problem, in 2015, right, Doc Brown is supposed to be 5 times as old as Marty was in 1985. So 95 is supposed to be 5 times bigger than this space right here. Well, that would mean that this is 19, right? 19 times 5 is 95. But we have a problem. Because at the same time, right, in 1985, Doc Brown is supposed to be 4 years older than 3 times Marty's age. Well, what's 19 times 3? That's 57. Plus 4 is 61, not 65. So we know that answer option C is not correct. You might say, well, wait, do I have to try all of them? No. Here's the thing. Doc Brown was too old here, right? He was 65. He was supposed to be 61. That means that the numbers we were using were too big. So we need to scale this down. So we can get rid of D and E, and we're left with only A and B. So let's just test these, and we'll be good to go, right? I'm going to erase this right there. Boom, boom. Okay. So let's test 55. Suppose that Doc Brown was 55 in the year 1985, and therefore 85 in the year 2015, 30 years later. He's supposed to be 5 times Marty's age from 1985. So 85 divided by 5 is what? 17, right? And then we test this last part here. 3 times 17 is 51 plus 4, would you look at that, is the correct answer. So if you're interested in learning more about the GRE, feel free to sign up for my online course on my profile.